how to add Outlook to Gmail. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our browser right here. And then on the search bar, just open your Gmail account. So just type gmail.com. And then once you type Gmail, you will be redirected right here. Now, what we're going to do is to go here on the top right corner of the screen and then click the settings icon. Once you click the settings icon, click this See All Settings. Now, once you click that, what we're going to do next is to click this Accounts and Import. Once you click that, you will be redirected right here. Now, once you're here, just click this Add a Mail Account. And then as you can see, this window will pop up. Now what we're going to do is to type our Outlook account. So in this case, this is my Outlook account. So once you do that, just click next. And then if you want to link your account with Gmailify, or if you want to import your emails from your other account, you can do that. But I will just leave it as it is. So I'm just going to click next. And then once you do that, just enter the password of your Outlook account. And then once you do that, your Outlook account will now be automatically imported or connected with Gmail. So that is basically it. That is how to add Outlook to your Gmail account.